So here's a problem. The product of two positive integers is 462. If the first integer is 5 greater than twice the second integer, what is the smaller of the two integers? Okay, well, we need to first set up our equations here. So the first one, it says product of two positive integers. We can have x as the first positive integer and y is the second positive integer. And this is equal to 462. Okay, so my x is the first integer and my y is the second integer. If the first integer, so x, is 5 greater than twice the second integer, what is the smaller of the two integers? So the key piece of information here is positive integers. We need to keep this in mind. So I'm going to go ahead and put my 5 plus 2y instead of x in the first equation, and it becomes 5 plus 2y all times y is equal to 462. So I'm going to go ahead and then write this like this is equal to 462. And then I'm going to go ahead and say 2y squared plus 5y minus 462 is equal to 0. And we're going to go ahead and expand this out here. And this becomes 33 and minus 14. And we know that we can write this as okay. And we have two possible solutions for y. Y is either 14 or minus 33 over 2. But remember what I said earlier, positive integers. So which of the two is a positive integer? Well, obviously, 14 is a positive integer. I can go ahead and put this inside the y here. So it becomes x equals 5 plus 2 times 14. And x becomes 33. So between 33 and 14, which is smaller? Well, obviously, the 14 is smaller. And there you have it. 14 is the answer.